Okay, so I showed up for what I thought was a vinyasa yoga this morning, and take a look around. I was the only one in the studio, which, you know, if I was a guy, I'd think, yes, this is great, bonus. I get that one-on-one treatment. But no, as a woman, what was my first thought? I'm like, oh my God, maybe I can slip out, but he's already saw me. Oh, what's gonna happen? He's gonna be watching my every move. This is gonna be terrible. And then I thought, Cindy, practice what you preach, give your head a shake. And so I did a little negotiation of my mindset, switched my perspective, and recognized this is a great opportunity to be able to get that one-on-one feedback, to be able to learn and grow. And if I'm not able to do the moves, who gives a heck, right? Who cares? It's all about learning and growing and stretching ourselves. So I did say, and it turned out it was not vinyasa yoga. It was an extreme Pilates, hence the sweating and the out of breath. But guess what? I did it. I got some great feedback, and I encourage you to stretch yourself outside of your comfort zone today as well.